Today we're going to be taking a look at this absolutely gorgeous Factory 5 Cobra. Factory 5 was started in 1995 by Dave Smith, who still owns the company today. The company is made up of a relatively small number of employees who are truly passionate about automobiles. That passion shows best in the quality and precision of their products. Factory 5 is one of the top Cobra replica manufacturers, and they are highly respected in the car community. Factory 5 company headquarters is a staggering 62,000 square feet and is dedicated to top quality engineering and manufacturing of nearly everything needed to create a modern, top performing Cobra. Now, every Cobra replica is an opportunity for a completely unique build. No two are identical. This particular example sports a potent 5.0-liter high-output, fuel-injected V8 paired with a 5-speed manual transmission sitting on a strong tubular frame and covered in a composite body shaped in the iconic lines of the Shelby Cobra. Other features on this example include 4-wheel power disc brakes, power steering, adjustable coilover suspension, gorgeous American muscle deep dish Bullitt wheels, and driving lights that look like fangs in the mouth of this lean and mean Cobra. The exterior of this Cobra is finished in a unique dark red metallic that shines beautifully in any light. It sports an exceptionally clean black interior that shows this car has been well cared for by its previous owner. It's also equipped with 4-point harnesses, chrome roll bar, wood rim steering wheel, and an Autometer Pro comp gauges. This drivetrain combination in this one-of-a-kind car really strikes the perfect balance of power, weight, and reliability, and makes for an incredibly fun car to drive. Once you get in, you won't want to get out. Now what we've been waiting for, let's listen to this iconic 5-liter beast.